wondered how you'd look with a completely new hairstyle? With AVC Labs Photo Pro AI, you can transform your look in seconds. No guesswork involved. AVC Labs Photo Pro AI's Replace feature helps you make better hairstyle choices. With just one click, you can change your current hairstyle to something completely different. You can try bold colors, trendy cuts, or even classic styles. The virtual salon realization at your fingertips takes the indecision out of getting a haircut. First, open AVC Labs Photo Pro AI and then import your photos. After clicking Replace in the upper left corner, select the area where you want to change your hairstyle. Finally, click OK to preview or export the photo. Whether you want to go bold or subtle, this tool lets you explore your hair potential effortlessly. Love the transformation? It's all just a click away. Dive into your next hair inspiration with AVC Labs Photo Pro AI and discover the possibilities.